For me, I think from what I was until yesterday morning, there is a big difference. The simple reason I'm very fearful of, like you said, it's hard-earned money to put it somewhere with no guarantee whether there's a return. So I never got into this. I'm like a super fresher, even learning how to manage the money. So for me, these 2 days have given me so much confidence because from knowing nothing to where I am today, at least I can do something. So I'm so looking forward to interacting more and learning more actually, so that I can get started in the stock market in some way or the other, because right now I'm not in it at all. So thank you so much because this, like everybody has said, the structure and the examples, and you were so patient. And as a trainer, I think you're brilliant, because I'm also a trainer. I've seen other trainers, but I think you're just outstanding because how you engaged with all of us. I don't think any of us really felt sleepy, or it wasn't a monologue. You made sure we were all a part of it. So I think the session itself was absolutely very, very enriching. And whatever you have told us is so practical, and I think gives us a lot of confidence to be able to apply it and use it and feel like, we are ready for at least getting started. So even if it's in a small way. So thank you so much. I mean, this was, I think, the best decision. So when Sapna called me and I said, yeah, I had to muster up my courage to go do this because I was so fearful in general of this whole stock market and trading and everything, because I hear so many stories. But I think this has given me some confidence. So super. Thank you so much.